Welcome, in front of me I have OnePlus Buds, and today I will show you how you can check serial number of this buds. It's very simple, but you have to take a look really close. So you have to take off this buds from your charging case, and next you have to take a look right here. I'm going to zoom in with the camera to show you how it looks inside. And when you take a look right here, okay, right now it's really good view. You can spot this serial number. Let me take the thin object to show you it better because my finger is too big. Right here in this place you can spot the serial number. Right here. Here it is. The whole serial number. And that's it. So as you can see, it was very simple. If you are wondering if you can check it on the another way, unfortunately not, because when you grab your box from the OnePlus Buds like that, here we cannot find this serial number. You can only spot here the product model. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.